After logging in, you'll arrive at the MyDealer home screen. From the navigation bar, click Parts and then Shop for Parts. You may be asked to select a specific location. Please select your nearest Delta Power equipment location. From using the search bar, you can then search for the part number that you need. You can then add the part to your shopping cart after selecting the quantity needed. You'll notice that the part now automatically appears in your shopping cart in the top right. If you need to order a part from a previous order, scroll up to the My Orders tab. You can now view all your previous orders. Click on your order, which will now allow you to select each individual part that you need. Then hit Add Selected Parts to Cart. You'll notice that these parts are now in your shopping cart. If you're unsure of the part you need or need more information, go back to the Shop for Parts tab and go down to the Request Parts in the bottom right. Here, you can submit a form to our parts specialist who will get back to you and ensure you order the correct part. If you have any questions, please contact your nearest Delta Power equipment location by phone or email.